Hi everyone, welcome to the new episode of Thoughts on Education at College Dunia. Today we have Professor Nitin with us from Duke College of Management, and he's heading the training and placement for them. And so, can you just give us a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, hi, thank you. I'm Professor Nitin Kadolia, and I have been working with Duke College of Management for last 6 months. And to give a brief overview about my background, I have a corporate experience of around 17 years, and
Great.
I have worked in industries like FMCG, consumer durables, telecommunications. To
Yeah.
name a few, I have worked with brands like Tata, Reliance, Pepsi, Usha. So and now for last 1.5 2 years I have been into education sector, because what I feel that whatever I have learned in my this span of 17 18 years,
Yeah.
I should share it with aspiring managers so that
Definitely.
they may get benefited out of it.
Definitely. So that is a great bundle of experience and a good brand name which I'm hearing. And definitely, I hope as we go forward with the interview, definitely the aspiring students who are looking to target those companies and being a training and placement officer, definitely this will help. So my first question to you is that you have already seen the education scenario in foreign as well as in India, and students are attracting towards foreign. So what are your thoughts on this, that what can an inbound student gain when he studies at your university or in India?
See, first of all, we should understand that there is a very vast difference between the education that is being provided abroad and in India.
Yeah,
Okay, there's a difference, and there should ideally be the difference,
yeah,
because the country should not have exactly the same system of education.
yeah,
Reason being, the education or this career building process, इसको इस तरह से डिजाइन किया जाता है, इस तरह
जी,
से बनाया जाता है, कीपिंग इन माइंड द टैलेंट एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो वहाँ के रहने वाले हैं, सिटीजन्स हैं. तो उनके अंदर जिस तरह की काबिलियत है, जो टैलेंट है, उसके हिसाब से वहाँ का करिकुलम डिजाइन किया जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
Now we say about India. India has excellent resource in terms of IT sector,
हाँ जी,
right? And technical field. तो हमारा जो expertise है इस field में, वो world में कहीं नहीं. We have
बिल्कुल.
best of the brains. ठीक?
Yeah,
So this difference in education system, India and abroad, is justified.
okay, great.
अभी अगर मैं ड्यूक कॉलेज ऑफ मैनेजमेंट की बात करता हूँ, so we follow the same syllabus that is directed by Barkatullah University and
Okay.
AICTE.
Yeah,
Right. Additionally, we have identified the expectations of the corporate from MBA pass outs. Industry क्या चाहती है MBA pass out से?
great.
So we impart that knowledge and skill. We try to kind of bridge the gap between current potential जो बच्चा आके एडमिशन लेता है MBA में, उसके
बिल्कुल,
अंदर जो पोटेंशियल है, और इंडस्ट्री का जो रिक्वायरमेंट है.
बिल्कुल.
राइट. सो वी ट्राई टू ब्रिज द गैप. इसको हमने ब्रिज गैप कॉन्सेप्ट का नाम दिया है.
जी, बिल्कुल. बहुत यूनिक और नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, एंड डेफिनेटली यही एक इंडस्ट्री चाहती है कि एक रॉ फॉर्म के स्टूडेंट अगर प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होकर उनको मिले, सो दैट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर देम. So my next question is that how does the curriculum at Duke College of Management ensures best practice in the industry?
Just I have just recently said that हमको syllabus तो we follow the Barkatullah one.
Yeah,
Apart from this, हमारे पास में we have faculties who have rich experience of industry. They have
Yeah.
knowledge and rich experience of industry.
yeah,
Now we know what the companies expect from MBA graduates.
yeah,
So in addition to academics, हम उन वाली skills पर काम करते हैं. We try to build those skills like corporate में what they want: effective
Yeah.
communication, teamwork, computer proficiency, presentation skills,
Yeah.
situation based decision makings,
yeah,
and analytical skills, etc. So we
Yeah.
work on developing those skills.
yeah. So great, sir, because this is the demand of the industry, and when everything is fulfilled, that's a win-win situation for both student as well as for the industry. So सर, ऐसी आपको क्या बात लगती है जो आपको लगता है कि इस कॉलेज के बारे में अभी लोगों को नहीं पता है, बट इन्हें पता होना चाहिए, या कि हिडन जेम है जो आप बताना या शेयर करना चाहें?
वही मैंने जैसे अभी बताया आपको
जी.
कि सबसे पहला तो जो हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है वो है फैकल्टीज.
Yeah.
राइट. सो फैकल्टीज का बच्चे के उसको डेवलपमेंट में, उसके शेप करने में बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. अब व्हेन आवर फैकल्टीज हैव कम विद एक्सपीरियंस इन एकेडमिक्स एंड इंडस्ट्रीज, इट इज अ
Yeah.
ब्लेंड.
Definitely.
अब इंडस्ट्री का रिक्वायरमेंट पता है, बच्चे का स्ट्रेंथ पता है, तो वी कैन डेवलप द स्टूडेंट्स ऑन सेम लाइंस. तो
Yeah.
ये मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोगों को पता चले. ठीक है. तो
Definitely.
लोगों का जो भी क्राइटेरिया है बच्चे को एडमिशन दिलाने का, बट पीपल शुड नो अबाउट दिस, और इस
Yeah.
कॉलेज में ये है यहाँ पर हमारे पास.
Definitely, and this will give them a corporate exposure as well. That you all can share your experience with the work experience you have. You can make them face the real life challenges rather than bookish language.
Right.
That's great. So my next question is that what are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for education sector in general in India as well as Duke College especially for the higher education?
See, the biggest challenge what I have been witnessing in last few years,
Yeah.
कि अभी एक टेंडेंसी आया है बच्चों में, स्टूडेंट्स में टेंडेंसी हैज डेवलप्ड. आई मीन,
Yeah.
मैं ये तो नहीं बोलूंगा सारे बच्चों में, बट मोस्टली बच्चों
Yeah.
में एक टेंडेंसी आया है, they don't want to go and attend the classes regularly.
Yeah.
Right. Now अभी मैंने बताया कि इतने अच्छे फैकल्टीज हैं,
Yeah.
अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है,
Yeah.
but if students do not attend the classes and get benefit from it,
Yeah.
so the whole purpose gets diluted.
Yeah, definitely.
अभी हमको पता है कि इंडस्ट्री का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, बच्चे को कैसे तैयार करना है.
बिल्कुल.
अब बच्चा आएगा, सीखेगा, तब तैयार होके जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
Right. How would you prepare them if they don't come to learn?
Definitely.
So parents should intervene and insist on sending to college, या अभी जो सिचुएशन है उसमें
Yeah.
attending classes online.
Yeah. So that is very necessary. If they miss, every day is precious when it's considered to be education, and if they lose at least even a single minute or an hour, that will cost them. And definitely that is a very good point where it's the biggest challenge for them. So sir, my next question is that any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students who are looking forward to join the college?
सजेशन यही है कि देखिए, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और यूथ के लिए कि ये आपका जो स्टेज है, जो एज है और एजुकेशन का जो स्टेज है, आप लोग यू आर इन द फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ योर एजुकेशन.
Yeah.
ग्रेजुएशन तक कर लिया है, जितना सीखना था, अब ये वाला टाइम है जहाँ पर यू हैव टू एक्चुअली शार्पन योर टूल्स.
Definitely.
यू शुड फोकस कंप्लीटली ऑन योर ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट.
Yeah.
और ये हर एस्पेक्ट में होना चाहिए. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल हो, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट हो, जनरल अवेयरनेस हो.
जी.
तो कॉर्पोरेट में आगे ये सारे क्या डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर्स होते हैं आपके करियर के लिए और सक्सेस के लिए.
Definitely.
सो दीज स्किल्स शुड बी लाइक वर्कड ऑन
Yes.
वेरी थॉरोली.
So because when you become a package, then only you can get a good package. This is said by everyone, and this is great, sir. So what are some of the plans that you are designing for your college for international students who would like to join the college?
See, this is a very good question raised by you.
Yeah.
Like we are currently in talk with some international companies for placement of our students abroad. हम
That's
चाहते हैं
great.
कि हमारे बच्चे इंडिया के साथ, मेट्रोज के साथ में इंडिया के बाहर भी जाके
बिल्कुल.
प्लेसमेंट लेके आए.
जी.
राइट. सो वंस आवर MOU is signed,
Yeah.
we are in the process and talks are going on.
Yeah.
Right. When the MOU is signed, we will probably be the only college in MP who will be providing placements out of India.
Great, sir. Great. So I think that Duke College is doing, even I think I'm talking to a college who is established from last 25 years, but I know this is your first year and you have done more than 100% for each and every student. And definitely anyone who comes to the college will definitely have a very bright future. And coming thoughts from you and being the head of training and placement, I think the visibility is 100% assured. And I would again like to thank Mr. Nitin Karonia for his time and his thoughts on education. And sir, this will definitely be helpful and impactful for the students who are looking forward to join the college. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.